anything happen, when you turn it on, you gotta keep the gas.
Where is he?
Okay. Yeah, you just gotta keep it gas when you. I don't think they were out. I don't think you realize you gotta hold that throttle.
It sounds crazy if the water is almost too warm. When the cold water comes underneath, it's nice.
Yeah. How do you do that? Like get it going, like fast and then break?
Yeah, what I do is I stand up. I don't.
It's hard when it's sitting.
But I'm only like this on top of it. And I'm putting pressure. I'm pushing on my feet. I'm lifting up and pushing, so when I make a turn, I'm pushing the left foot down, and then it's lifting, and I'm gassing it. No, like I'll slow down.